Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Coldwell Banker Agreement easy tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your Coldwell Banker Agreement, begin by reviewing your contract. Find the section that outlines the cancellation policy. It's essential to understand any terms or conditions that may apply. Next, gather all necessary documentation related to your agreement. This may include the original contract and any correspondence with your agent. Contact your Coldwell Banker agent to discuss your intent to cancel. Be clear and professional in your communication. Request a formal cancellation in writing. You can draft this letter or email to ensure all details are included. Make sure to include your name, property address, and a request for cancellation. Once your written cancellation request is sent, keep a copy for your records. Follow up with your agent to confirm receipt of your request. If your agent does not respond promptly, reach out to the office directly. Ask for assistance from the office manager or broker if needed. If there are any disputes regarding cancellation fees, be prepared to negotiate. Review any potential consequences for canceling your agreement. Make sure you're aware of any outstanding obligations on your part. Finally, once your cancellation is confirmed, request written documentation of the cancellation. Keeping a record of this confirmation can protect you in future transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.